Okay, you guys are right. You guys were right. So let me just say, first and foremost, thank you guys for all the love and support. Like, that's just number one. I have to always start off by saying that. But today we're taking a look at Nike SB and the collab they have done with a brand known as Their Skateboards. And man, I saw official images on these and I was really excited. I'm a little late to review these because they already came out, and you guys kept saying, get it, do a review on it, do a review on it. And actually seeing these in hand now, these things are insane. And I'm saying sneaker, not sneaker review, but SB Dunk of the year. And today we're taking a look at the Nike SB Dunk of the year. There's Skateboard Ultra Humanized, and let's talk about these because from the detailing to the pin to the colorway, these are one that I could not let get away for this year. I just couldn't let get away. And oh my gosh, I'm happy I have them. Thank you, I have them. And you guys are right. These are the ones, man. These are the ones. So without further ado, let's check them out together. Let's go. Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy, it is your kid, Nephrit. I hope you're having a great day, and I truly hope you're having a very blessed day. You guys already know it is always a great time when I get to come on here and make another video for you guys. Now, in today's video, as you can tell from the intro, as you can tell from the title, the brand that we're taking a look at today is Nike SB, and this is the more better ones for this year. To be honest, I'll be real, I think that this is my personal favorite. We're gonna see because I haven't seen them in hand just yet, but the collaboration that they've decided to go ahead and do it with is Their Skateboard, and we'll talk about who they are here shortly. But yeah, another sneaker review, man. I'm really excited because you guys have actually been telling me like this one is something you need to be picking up because it looks a lot better in hand. So as you can see right here, we do got the package. They go ahead and land like literally what, 4 hours ago. And I was like, let's go ahead and get these things started. So before I go ahead and I do want to give you guys your shout outs because I greatly appreciate you guys each and every time I drop a video. I mean, this year for 2024, we have been making a lot of momentum, and the support and love and everything you guys do is greatly appreciated. And I got to make sure you guys are taken care of first before anything. So without further ado, let's take a look at these SB Dunks, Their Skateboards, right now. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, first and foremost, before we even take a look at these babies right now, I do got to say thank you so much for all the love and the support that you have shown this year. Literally, the love and the support has been through the roof. You guys are always, every video I post, the comments, you guys, even if I'm not being as consistent, I mean, which I have, but like you guys will be like, hey, where you at? You know, and I just greatly want you to know it means a lot to me. If you haven't already, definitely hit that subscribe button, definitely hit that bell notification. That way anytime I drop a video, you can be alerted and notified. The goal this year is 10K, and we are like slowly but surely knocking on that door. We just broke 6,200 yesterday, so we're slowly but surely climbing. I'm just extremely thankful. If you want to get featured like you see right here, comment down below and let me know how you're feeling today. Literally, I like for you guys to engage. It lets me know that you're paying attention, you actually enjoy the videos. It lets me know that you're actually really like listening. It lets me know if you're really just like you're actually engaging with the channel, and I greatly appreciate that. And it's a way for me to also give back to you guys because I appreciate literally everything you guys do for me. So with that said, if you want to get featured, just go ahead and comment down below. That way I can go ahead and feature your comment right here. So with that said, let's go ahead and take a look at these Nike Dunk Lows, Their Skateboards right now. All right, so we have the box right here. I did go ahead and pick these up over on GOAT. Retail price is, I think, $135. They're not that bad above retail right now. Resale's like $40 above, so for these two, not bad. But before we go ahead and actually take a look at these, I do want to go ahead and talk about like Their Skateboard, the collaboration they've done with Nike, kind of like who they are a little bit before we take a look at these. So really quick right here, as you can see, I pulled up the image. So we have some more information before I kind of like dive into it. So we have the Nike SB Dunk Low, Their Skateboard. Showcase premium craftsmanship using top-notch materials. The black foundation is elevated by shaggy suede overlays, intricately embroidered in white, featuring the brand's signature print, official branding elements on the tongue, labels, and heel tabs. Affirm the collaboration authenticity. Notable features include black and green thick laces, a green mesh inner lining, tumble leather swoosh, logos, and a durable rubber outsole. To enhance the experience, special packaging with an extra set of laces is included for personalized customization. And if we look at some more too, it does go ahead and say this was released. I know I'm a little bit late to review these, but these go ahead and did release on August 6th, and they released all over skate parks. Not skate parks, skate shops, and that's where they also did go ahead and drop on Nike sneakers as well. I wasn't able to go ahead and grab a pair, so I had to go on that aftermarket to get a pair. But here we go right here. They did go ahead and say they landed today, like I said. Let's go ahead and open up this box, and I'm super excited because this brand right here has really, from what I've seen, made some crazy art, man, with these. They made some crazy art. A little bit as well of like kind of who their skateboard is. They are a skateboard brand, but they're known for pretty much the community that they've built is that they want to let people know they're accepting of no matter who you are, race, sexuality, they're accepting of that. So they want you to, that's kind of like the community they have built, which I think is pretty cool, especially when it comes to like art and customization, because customization and art is kind of like, you know, expressing who you are, right? So I feel like that's pretty cool. So let's go ahead and pull these things out. We're gonna start with what the size description is, but as you can see right here, we did go ahead and get the cream boxes. What they do come in, we got the Nike SB, we have the cream boxing right here, and then we have the gray text right there, which I honestly is my favorite box for sure. We've gotten a lot of cool ones this year, but I think this one is going to be nice from what you guys have told me. So let's take a look at the size description right now. Size description, let's go ahead and say Nike SB Dunk Low QS. This is black, gorge green, summit white. I did go ahead and get a size 11. If you are kind of questionable on sizing when it comes to SB Dunks, go through the size, you'll be perfectly fine. This is a 12.5 in women, and the SKU code on this does read HF7743001. Let's go ahead and pull this around or turn this around so you can go ahead and see it right there. And please feel free to go ahead and pause it. That way, if you do want to go ahead and pick these up, secondary market, you can go ahead and put the SKU code in, they'll come up no problem. So here we go right here. Let's go ahead and lift these up. I'm really excited because you guys keep telling me that this is really detailed, and they're green, the stitching on it, everything from my scene looks excited. It looks so good, so I'm really excited. So let's go ahead and lift these things up right here. I have high expectations for these. So 3, 2, and 1. As you can see right there, you get your regular tissue paper that comes in all of your regular Nike SB Dunk Low boxes. And then as we pull these things back right now, we're gonna be greeted with 3, 2, and 1. Let's go right here. Here we go, man. We got the Nike SB. Dude, these look so good. These look so good. We got the Nike SB Dunk Low, their skateboards, and I haven't seen an official name on it. I did some research. I think they were calling these ultra humanized, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong on the name, drop it down below and let me know. But here we go right here, man, and we have a lot to talk about for this one because there is just a lot of art in this that I think is really cool. And oh my gosh, look how many laces it comes with. Whoa, look how many laces it comes with. Hold on, how many laces? We're gonna talk about that right now, but let's go straight into it right now. Come on. And boom, here we go. Right here, at long last, finally, we got the Nike SB Dunk Low in their skateboard ultra humanized, from what I've seen. I could be wrong, but I'm calling them that for now. Where do we want to start with, honestly? Like, dude, the detailing is so clean. Look at like the doodle and the sketch and the green, and you guys know I'm a big green lover. Oh, look at the back tab. There's, I think we're gonna go with the right just because there's a lot that's in this one. So let's go ahead and put these right here and let's do it right now. So taking a look at the bottom of the outsole right here, I do want to take my time, so do kind of like understand, I want to give you guys the best review. So taking a look at the bottom of the outsole, we have an all nice gorge green outsole, and it looks like there's like some text on it, which looks like some type of like logoing, maybe from like their skateboard branding, but it's like a face on it right there, which I feel like is really, oh, it says theirs. I can see on the camera, it says there right there, and it has a doodle at the bottom of the outsole right there. As you see, you do get your Nike SB, which is done right there in the bottom of the outsole. As we come up, we get hit with a black midsole, which I think was a really good touch that they added in, that goes all the way around the entirety of the SB Dunk. Then as we come up right there, we get more of it's more of like that tearaway. It's kind of like a suede, like a black suede and gray color right there. And then you have more of like the art right there, which goes right there. As you can see, it looks like a face, which is pretty dang cool. Then we have some more on the other side as well. We got some right here, then we got some right here. Then we got the green swoosh, which looks really, really nice. I love these a lot so far. I am loving these. As you can see, you get more of the gray suede with white, kind of like that ashiness right there. And then you do get your Nike right there, which is done in, it's kind of like a silver. It's like silver. As you can see, man, sometimes I feel like I'm colorblind. Oh my gosh. But as you come up to the toe box, we do have a nice black toe box. Let me go ahead and move this out the way real quick. And then you kind of have like a pin, and if I'm not mistaken, maybe it's some art. If I'm not mistaken, I think from the research I looked up, Jeff Chung, I hope I'm saying that right, is the co-founder of their skateboard, and I think that's some of his art right there that he likes to go ahead and implement, which I think is really, really cool. It's kind of hard to make out what it is, but it looks like it's like a person, kind of like, I don't know, it's like a person right there. It's hard to kind of like really tell, but I do like it. It's pretty interesting. As you see right here, you get hit with green laces. Hope the camera focuses right there. Green laces, and then you get your black tongue, and you do have your Nike SB stitched right there, and it does say Dunk Low Pro, and it says Nike SB, kind of like in that same skateboard textile right there. As we come up, look at the amount of laces we have in here. Okay, so we got some green lace. No, are those green? We got black laces right there. We got some more black laces. Dude, this is probably the most amount of laces I've ever gotten for any SB before. We have some more green laces, which you know we probably will be swapping out. We got orange laces. Wow, they made sure these things come stacked. They weren't kidding when it came to customization. And then we have an orange and black right there, with kind of Halloween being like, with it being October, Halloween right around the corner. I may go ahead and swap these out for it, but that's very, very cool. Then as we come up to the insole right here, we have a blue and black insole, and if I'm not mistaken, it does go ahead and say theirs in there with a Nike logo. So check it out right there. I kind of feel like with the ring light, you can get more contrast, more color. And then right here we have the Nike SB, more of the pin like we had on the front, but this one is done in kind of like a orange. And then when you look up in the back, it is black right there. So I think that's really, really cool. But dude, this is a clean dunk, bro. I can't even lie. These are really, really nice. These are really, oh, I almost forgot. And more detailing with the SB right there at the back of the tongue. You have some more, there's art logo right there. These are clean. These are really, really clean. I'm calling it right now. I'm so serious when I say this. This is my SB dunk for this year. I mean, we've gotten a lot of really good ones, right? We've gotten the Alexis Sablon, you know, the Chameleon. We've gotten Aisa Leal with hers, as you can see right here. And now we have theirs. I think those are the top three right there, but this one for sure, and I'm a little biased because I do love green, but this one for sure is a good dunk and my favorite dunk for this year. So I'm gonna go ahead and break away to an on-feet review. I do want to give you guys a closer perspective because this is one that I think you guys definitely should check out. There's a lot of shoes out there, but this one for sure for this kind of stand out. Might have to get a second pair. I might have to do it. I'm not gonna lie. This is a art piece right here. I mean, just look at the detailing on it. So let's go ahead and get closer look right now, and let's get I want you guys to go ahead and see it right now. Let's do it. All right, guys. So as you can see, check it out. We got the Nike Dunk Low, Nike SB Dunk Low in the Theirs Skateboard Ultra Humanized colorway. And my goodness, these are so fire. These are really nice. I love the art with this. I love the detailing on this. I love the amount of laces they give us. This is a good dunk. This is a good dunk. And Nike SB moving forward, this is how your dunks should be looking. This is a good one. This is definitely a good one. Like I said, for sizing, go true to size. Retail on this was $135. It's going over about $50 above retail, which is not too bad. I don't know if I see it going up or not, just because the market on shoes is just really like kind of wonky right now. But this is definitely a good shoe, and if you're able to go ahead and get yourself a pair, I think you should, because you won't be disappointed. So do let me know what you guys think about these. I'm so happy to have these, and On Feet review is coming right now. All right, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, this has been the review over the Nike SB Dunk Low, Theirs Skateboard in the Ultra Humanized colorway. And just look at these, man. Just look at these. Oh man. Yeah, this is it. No questions for me. No questions for me. SB Dunk of the Year for me. Hands down. I will be on the hunt for another pair, but like all things, guys, I really greatly appreciate you guys so much. It's only ever gonna be one you. Be the best you. I seriously am thankful for all that you guys do. On Feet is coming right now. I don't know how many laces we'll go ahead and swap out. I may do like 2, may do 3, but we will see. So stay tuned, because it's coming right now. Love you guys a lot, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace.